Very good morning, respected Dr. Ramesh Ghosh, other respected doctors at the dais, my colleague Dr. Kakuli Ghosh Dustidar, my friend MLA Shri Shubhrato Bokshi, Chairman Dr. Colonel Ranjan Shen, dignitaries who are participating today as a delegates or an invitee. Let me tell you, I am not a field from medical science. But wherever I go, I feel that the conference of like these researchers may not be huge. I remember that when I talk about Gandhiji, when he started Quit India, it is only 5 people. But it was a revolution. So we should not go by the numbers who are present here. We should go by the persons who have taken keen interest in joining this conference. And as a medical practitioner, Kakuli was upset because she wanted to do something great for the state, not as an activist of our party, but as a worker in the health. And whatever she has said, her personal experience is more appreciable than what we observe. In my own experience, why we go to few doctors like MS Ghosh or who are sitting over here or who are sitting over there? Because they have created a sense of responsibility. They have created a sense of happiness among those who requires treatment. And in our state, I do not share this dais to criticize the government, but I do not wish to say that the government on the health front even passed the minimum marks. What about the primary health condition or secondary health conditions? What is the primary health centers in our state? What about the government hospitals? More often we hear from the health minister that you see that our state, 70% of our people are enjoying the health care from the government hospitals. What is the conditions of the government hospital? What is the conditions of the district hospitals? So, in a conflict situation, Dr. Shen has initiated a conference of advanced medicine. I can say that while we welcome the subject of inviting researchers on advanced Medicare, but at the same time I would request you to prepare for a note for us for the future, along with the other states, that what should we need in respect of West Bengal and in respect of India. Because unless we know that in what direction the future should go and what went wrong with the government machinery or whatever, and whatever medical care is receiving by our patients in the state are basically from the private sectors. How to strengthen the state health care and what are the requirements, there must be a SWOT analysis. And here today I feel that in a management system that the sales manager is basically sells the product which is invented by the marketing. So here the researcher has to provide as a torch to the eminent doctors who will certainly see the light and provide our people. Don't forget, not urban, the rural also. The rural people along with the urban people, the conditions of not getting health care is very, very bleak. They are not getting anything. They are not having the adequate fund, adequate financial positions to cope up with the situations which they are facing day to day. Forget about the equipment, forget about the modern treatment, even treatment at a low cost is not available in our state. So while we are doing the research, kindly provide us the light and kindly guide us what the future of West Bengal should needed in the health front. With this word, I again congratulate Dr. Shen. In spite of the, immediately after the Loki Puja, he has chosen a day, and whoever present today, after having the deliberations from the eminent doctors, I am full confident they will enrich our system, they will enrich the participants, and when the participants will go after having the interactions, certainly it will be a matter of pride. And the papers so prepared, kindly provide us a copy so that we can enrich ourselves when preparing our objectives of future Bengal under leadership of our leader, Ms. Mamata Banerjee. Thank you very much.